Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see old liked videos on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and open up our TikTok app right over here. And now from what we have, we're simply gonna go ahead and tap on this little profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now when we go to this liked section, we will be able to find all of the liked videos of ours. So you can simply go ahead and scroll down and find out the old videos that you have liked, right? And you also have this categories of films and TVs, hashtag, series, add yours, and etc, which you can see. For sounds, I have this effects. These are the saved ones, including all. You can check it out. Now let's say you have a certain category, a certain topic that you would like to see the old videos of. So you can go to search bar, you can search in, let's say, search flower, and search it up, right? You have searched flower. Now what you're going to do, you're going to tap on this three dot right over here and tap on filters, and now tap on liked over here, and then you're gonna simply go ahead and apply. So now you can see these are the videos of the category flower I have liked so far. So that's how you can check it out, the old videos that you liked, and hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.